Hello. Am I audible? Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
There's some work going on in the next class. So little bit of disturbance will be there.
Good
Yes.
morning, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Shobhan.
sir, I have sent you my max homework, sir, but in your list my name was not there, sir.
You have sent all the notes, my dear. You have not sent the homework.
I
Sir,
also
definitely.
sent, sir. I sent the homework also, sir. In that
Homework.
only, sir.
Homework
Yes,
is
sir.
not there. You have sent 5 parts, if you remember.
Yes.
In those
Yes, sir.
5 parts, everything is notes. Once again, you
Yes,
check
sir.
it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'll send it again, sir.
Okay, sir. If you remember, we had solved till question 10.
10 questions, sir.
Uh, Today we shall continue with question number 11. The multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 9 to the power minus 99 is. So first we shall simplify this. This will be minus 9 by 5 to the power positive 99, isn't it? This
Yes,
becomes
sir.
the reciprocal and positive power. For this, what is the reciprocal? This will be minus 5 by 9 to the power 99. If you multiply this, then only the things will get cancelled and you will get the result as 1. So, which is the right answer here? Minus 5 by 9. Option?
A, sir.
Option A. Correct?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Ajay, you got up now?
No, sir.
Very good. Let's discuss question number 12.
So can you explain that again?
Okay. Whenever you have something like a by b to the power minus 1, this is same as b by a. Yes?
No, sir. 1 by AB.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
First, we
1
will do
by
1 by
a
B
by
by A,
b.
and A will go up.
A will go up. No, a will come down.
B will go up, sir. B will go up.
That the denominator's denominator will become the numerator. It becomes the reciprocal. Right? This you have understood?
Yes, sir. You understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this case, a by b to the power some number, if it is this other than 1, minus 5 it is there. In that case, this will be b by a to the power 5. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same thing I am applying here. Now, for this particular number, reciprocal can be written to the power positive 99. This will be one and the same.
Yes, sir.
Yes. For this number, we need to find the reciprocal. We need to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative
Yes, sir.
inverse.
Minus 5 by 9 to the power
Multiplicative inverse. The meaning is for any number a, if some other number is multiplied, the result has to be 1.
1, sir.
So b is called the multiplicative inverse.
Yes, sir.
In this number, minus 9 by 5 to the power 99 is same as minus 9 to the power 99 divided by 5 to the power 99, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
To this, if you multiply 5 to the power 99 divided by minus 9 to the power 99, then this will get cancelled. You'll get the result as 1. What is this number? It is same as minus 5 by 9 to the power 99. It is there in option A.
Yes, sir.
Hope
Option
it's
number.
clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Question number 12. If x be any non-zero integer and m and n are negative integers, then x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equal to. We have learned that whenever the bases are same, the powers will be added up.
Sir, option B.
Option B.
Yes, sir.
Is-
Option number B, sir.
Option B is the correct answer.
M and n should
Sir,
not
but
be.
m and n are negative integers, sir.
M and n
Sir,
are
then
negative
become
integers.
positive, sir, afterwards.
It will become m minus n, sir.
Is it? Why?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, but both the powers will be added.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
After
but minus and
Yes,
plus will
bracket
become
minus
minus
positive,
one.
sir,
Let's
minus
take
into minus.
example. We can take example. Let me take the base as 2 and the powers, they are negative integers. Let me consider minus 2 and minus 3 as the integers there. Now if you use the identity, minus 2 is added to minus 3. Correct.
Yes.
If it is m, if this is n, this will be 2 to the power of m plus n only, no?
Yes.
It
Yes,
cannot
sir.
be m minus n. It should be only m plus
Sir,
n.
but here plus into minus becomes minus, no, sir.
Five.
Who is
Sir, it is not multiplying.
multiplying? We are adding them. A negative integer added to another negative integer, we get negative integer. There is no problem. In
Yes,
this
sir.
case, m plus n will be negative. This will be negative. M plus n value will become negative. But we are not concerned about that. What is the answer we must get? It is in the form of x to the power of m plus n. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Question 13 now. If y be any non-zero integer, then y raised to the power 0 is equal to.
One,
Sir,
sir.
one.
Number A, sir.
It
One.
is 1.
Number
Because
one.
we have learned the
A
law of
to the
exponent,
power
a
zero
raised
equal
to the
one.
power 1 is, sorry, a to the power 0 is 1.
One.
You must
Yes.
remember why this is true. I have said you can take the same power, one positive time, another negative time, and they are added up, we get 0. So this is in the form of a to the power of m by a to the power of n.
Yes, sir.
So this get cancelled, we get it as 1. This you must remember.
Yes, sir.
Question 14. If x be
Yes, sir. Option number
non-zero
B.
integer, then x to the power of minus 1 is
1 by
Sir, 1
x
by
to the
x.
power 1.
X,
Yes.
sir.
1 by x.
1 by
Option
x is
number B, sir.
correct.
1 by X.
Why did they mention this as non-zero integer?
Sir,
It is not
sir.
applicable for 0.
Correct, sir.
Zero,
N
sir.
by
Yes, sir.
0 is
It
not
will be
defined.
infinite.
Is could not define.
Zero,
We
sir.
will
It is
not
one
say
by
that
zero.
it is infinite. We will say that it is not defined. Okay.
Yes, sir. Defined.
Question 15. If x be any integer different from 0 and m be any positive integer, then x to the power minus m is equal to.
Sir,
1
1
by
by
x to
x
the
to the
power
power m. Option
Option
C.
number
Yes,
option
sir.
number C.
1 by x m. X by.
X
So
to the
C.
power m.
1 by X
1
to
by
the
x to the
power
power of m is correct. Question
M.
16. If x be any integer different from 0, m and n are any integers, then x to the power m to the power n is
B,
equal
sir.
to.
Option number
X to the power m into n.
Yes, sir. B.
So
X
when
to the
power of a
m
power
and
is there, they will be multiplied.
multiply, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiply.
Question 17. Which of the following is equal to minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 3?
D, sir. Option number
Sir, B, sir. Minus
number
3
D,
by
sir.
4. Option D. Minus.
Option
Option
Option D, sir. Minus 4 by 3 to the power of 3.
number D, sir. Option
When
number
negative
D.
power is there, we can make it as a positive power by making it as reciprocal. It
Multiple
becomes
percent will become.
correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Option number D.
What will be this? This is option D. Yeah? Yes,
Sir?
Yes,
this
sir.
is negative power, negative power. This is positive power, but minus is missing there. So option
Yes,
D is
sir.
the right answer.
Option number D is answer.
Question 18 is on the same lines. This should
Yes,
be
sir.
reciprocal.
D.
We get minus 7 by
D,
5
sir. Option number
to the power
D, sir.
positive
Minus
5.
Power 5.
y f.
Option number D, sir.
Option number
Minus
D.
Sir, but the bracket is not there.
7 is having power, no sir. 5
Yes,
is
sir.
Actually, bracket is not there. Probably it is missed out. This has
Mistake.
to be there.
mistake, sir. Print mistake.
Print mistake. Yes, Uday, this is very easy.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
5 by
minus 5 by
5
7.
by minus
Sir,
1.
option B.
This is
5
wrong.
by
No?
7 minus 1.
D, sir.
Option B, sir.
Option B, sir.
Option number
This
B,
is
sir.
correct.
No, sir.
Option number B, sir.
Option B.
Reciprocal
Yes, sir.
is
Option number B.
5 by 7. Minus also should be there. So minus 5 by 7. It's correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Option number B.
Yeah. Question number 20. This will be equal to
Minus 9 to the power 5.
Option D.
minus
No,
9 to the
minus
power
9 to the power minus 5. Option
Yes,
D.
sir. Option number B.
C is correct or D is correct?
D.
Sir, D.
D, sir.
D.
Option number
D.
D,
D
sir.
is correct. The reason
3
is it
minus
is minus 9 to the power 3 minus 8. So minus
Yes,
9
sir.
to the power minus 5.
5, yes, sir. Option number D.
Question number 21. For non-zero integer x to the power 7 divided by x to the power 12 will be equal to.
X to the power
Option C,
minus
sir.
5.
Yes, sir.
X
This
to
Option
the
will
number
power
be
minus
x to
5.
the power 7 minus 12. X to the power of
X
minus
to the
5.
power minus 5.
First it will become
Yeah.
1 by x to the power 5, sir. Then when we will make it to come up, it will become x to the power minus 5.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus 12.
Directly also we can do it. This is how we can do.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Sir. Sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, question number 22.
D, sir.
X to the power minus 12.
Option B, sir.
Sir, x to the power minus 12.
Minus 12.
Sir.
What you should not
To the
do
power
is,
minus
you should not
12.
consider this as 4 minus 3. It is 4 written within the
4
bracket.
into minus
So
3,
it should
sir.
not
4
multiply.
into minus
4 into minus 3.
Correct. 4 into minus 3 should
X
be
to the
done.
power
So we
minus
get
12.
it as
Option
minus
number B.
12.
Minus 12.
Option D is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Moving on to question number 23. Yeah, this has to be simplified.
Option D, sir.
How do we
56.
simplify this? What is
Option
there
number
Sir,
within
use
the
minus
bracket? That we'll
7,
simplify
8
first.
is
Sir, 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8 whole
To
raised to
the
minus
power
by 8
minus 1
Minus 1.
minus
minus
in bracket 1 by 3
1 by
minus
3
1 by 4
minus 1 by
Minus
4
1 by
whole raised
4
to
whole
minus
power
1.
minus.
minus 1, sir.
How do we simplify this? We have to take the LCM.
Sir, take it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
56.
56.
56.
50,
This will be 8 minus
8
7.
minus
1,
8
Which is 1.
minus
Correct, no? 1, no?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The
1.
same thing is
Yes, sir.
applicable here. It
7,
becomes 1 by
8,
12.
12.
8, 7, 12, sir.
So this is
3 for the
56
4.
minus 12.
56 minus 12.
What I have done is the reciprocal of this is
Sir, option
taken.
44.
56 minus
44.
12 is
44,
44,
sir.
sir.
Option A.
44,
option A
sir.
is
Option number
correct.
A, sir. Yes, sir. 44,
Okay.
option number A.
What you should not do is in the first step only don't take the reciprocal. Inside one you simplify, that becomes more easy. In the question 24 we have to express in standard form.
Option D, sir.
Option number D, sir. Option
D,
number
sir.
D.
Sir, option D.
6.4 into 10 power 5.
Option number D.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
6.4
Why not plus 5?
So
10 to
because
the
it
power
Because it is after the decimal.
Yes, sir.
left, sir.
Yes.
After and decimal.
Correct. Question 25 again it's there in a usual form. You have to express in a standard form. 2.34 will be the standard
Option number
digits.
A, sir.
How many decimals are there?
Yes, sir. Option A.
Option number A.
Yes,
2.24 into 10 to the power 8.
Yes, sir. Option number A. 2.
Because if you
24
count,
into
there will
10 to
be
the power
6 zeros plus 2 more digits. So 8, 10 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
of 8.
Option number A.
Question 26.
2.24.
Sir,
This is
option
given
D.
in exponential form. We have to
Yes, sir.
express in
Option D, sir.
Option D, sir.
It is minus
D, sir. Option
D,
number
sir.
D.
D.
delta. D for delta. Option D is correct.
And one digit, sir, 4 zeros, sir. It will become.
Yes, sir. 4 zeros and 1 digit.
One digit is there and 4
4
Yes, sir.
zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4. Correct.
Digit, sir, and
Very good. Here this is 10. Okay. This is 10.
Sir, it is equal to 1.
Sir,
One,
option
option
C.
Sir, equal
Option
to
C.
1, sir. Option
Option
number
C is
Option
correct.
C, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Equal
the
to 1.
number is there, to the power 0
Zero.
is always 1.
Yes, sir.
Question 28. This has to be simplified since the bases are different. How do we simplify this?
Option A, sir. Option A.
This is 3
Yes,
to
sir.
the
Option
power
number A,
5
sir.
by 4
Yes,
to the
sir.
Option
power
number
5.
8.
Oh,
Option
Sir, we
number.
can use the identity.
Yes,
oh,
sir.
this
Option
is
number
something
B.
like this.
Sir, we can. Yes, sir. Reciprocal of 5 by 3 to the power 5, sir.
It is b to the power m. The powers are same here. If you
Yes, sir.
observe, the powers are same. So this will be a by b to the power m.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Option number
Okay,
A.
that option is
Yes, sir.
there here.
Option A.
Option A.
Yes, sir. Option number A.
Question number 29. For
Okay.
any two non-zero rational numbers x and y, x to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4 is equal to
C, sir. Option number
Option C.
Option
C, sir.
number B, sir.
x by y
Option
to
number
the
B.
power 4. No? X by
C, sir.
y
Option number C.
to the
Sir,
power
option
C.
C.
Yes, sir.
correct.
Option
C.
number C, sir.
Option
Option number
C
C.
is absolutely
X
correct.
divided by Y
Question
to the
30.
power 4.
Question 30. The powers are
Yes,
same.
Option number
Sorry,
A.
bases are same. So p to the power 13 minus 8.
5.
5, sir. 5.
Sir, P to the power 5.
P to the power 5. Option E.
Option number is
Option
P
A
to the power
is
5.
correct.
Option number A.
Question number 31. For a non-zero rational number, z to the power minus 2 to the power
B,
3
sir. Option
is
number
equal
B.
to
Option number B.
Z to the power
Option B.
Option B.
X to
to
the
the
power
power
minus
minus 2
6.
into 3.
6, sir.
minus 6.
Number B, sir.
Sir,
Z
option
to
number
the
B.
power minus 6.
What is the cube of minus 1 by 2?
So minus
Sir,
1 by 8.
Option C.
Minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8.
Minus 1 by 8, sir.
Minus 1 by 8.
minus 1 by
Why
8.
not positive 1 by 8?
Sir,
Because minus multiplies
Because it is multiplied with odd number of times, sir.
Power is odd, sir.
Whenever the power
Power
is odd, we always get negative.
Yes, sir.
when the power is even, we get
Okay.
positive.
Question number 33. This is a last question related to objective type. Which of the following is not the reciprocal of 2 by 3 to the power 4?
Option A.
Not
Option
the
A, sir.
reciprocal.
Power should be minus. It is minus.
Option A, sir.
Option A. Huh?
Yes.
Why?
Sir,
But
there should be option C also. Whole to the power minus 4, sir. Because the 4.
If I observe this, when positive power has to be made, it becomes 2 by 3 to the power positive 4. For this,
Option number C, sir.
what does it mean? Should I consider this within the bracket?
No,
Sir, no, sir.
no, sir, we can't.
3 by 2 whole power plus 4, sir.
Suppose if I consider this within the bracket, reciprocal is 3 by 2 to the power 4. For this number, it is 3 by 2 to the power 4 because when the powers are same, we can write in this format.
Yes, sir.
This particular thing is
In the same.
as it is 3 by 2 to the power 4. Which of the following is not the reciprocal?
Option
Sir,
B.
B.
Yes, sir. Option number C.
Option B.
Yes,
This
sir.
number
Option
say
B, sir.
Number C.
keep
Option B.
multiplying this with all these numbers. Whenever you don't get one, it is not a reciprocal.
Yes,
In
sir.
that
Option number
case,
B.
only for this you will not get the product as 1. Understood? If I multiply this particular number with this, we get product as 1. 2 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
of 4 by 3 to the power of 4 multiplied to 3 by 2 to the power 4. The answer is 1 here. In this case, 2 by
Yes,
3
sir.
to the power 4 into 2 by 3 to the power 4. The answer will be 2 by 3 to the power 4 plus 4, 8.
8.
For this, 3 by 2 to the power 4 into 2 by
Into
3 to the
2 by
power 4. The product is 1.
1, sir.
For this, 3 by 2 to the power 4 into 2 by 3
2
to
by
the power
3
4.
to
The
the power
product
4.
is 1.
Is equal to 1, sir. Yes.
So in all the cases except option B, the product is becoming 1. So it means that this is not a reciprocal. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I have completed all the questions which are related to objective type.
Option.
What shall we do now? Shall we take a new chapter or you
Sir, I
want
have a
some?
question.
Yes, he has a
New
question. We'll
chapter.
solve
Sir,
it.
it is not comparing quantities.
It is
Comparing
related to
quantity.
comparing quantities.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one object which I obtained free, sir. It is of no cost.
Okay.
And I sell it for 100 rupees, sir. How do I express the profit in percent, sir?
So if you are taking some object as a gift, the cost price will be 0, no?
Yes.
And you are selling it for
100%
rupees 100.
is 100%
Rupees
is
100 you are
100 minus
selling
profit
0
it.
is equal
percentage.
to 100, sir.
What is the
100% is
profit?
100.
Profit percentage.
Sir, profit percent.
Profit is rupees 100.
100%.
Yes, sir.
What is profit percent?
100 by 0 into 100.
100 by 0 into 100, which is not defined, no?
Sir,
Yes,
so
sir.
should we say not defined profit percent?
So what does it mean here?
100 into
Yeah,
100.
good question. 100% there is a profit, but how do we mathematically write it? 100 by 0, which is not defined. Can we write like that? 100 by 0?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We
Sir,
can.
will it become not defined?
Yes, sir. 100 by 0 is equal to 100%.
So we
But,
can do like
but any number divided by 0 should not be taken like that, no?
0 is equal to 0%.
I will also think, you also think here.
Okay.
At present, I can't say that it is 100 by 0 into 100.
Sir, 0 is equal to 0%.
0 is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 0%. Okay,
And
200.
100 is equal
but we never define this, any number divided by 0. We never consider this.
CP
This
is
is
equal
not
to
defined.
100 plus 100. 200.
Let me think. Yes, any other doubt? Shall I give a different question which is not there in the book?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
for example, you are asked to
Yes.
simplify. If the question is 49 to the power, 49 into z to the power minus 3 divided by 7 to the power minus 3 into 10 multiplied with z to the power minus 5, where z is not equal to 0.
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes, how do we simplify this? Uh, 7 square is 49. into
Sir, 7 to the
z
5.
to the power minus
49 into
7 to the power 2. Z to the power 2. And divided by.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It become minus
Sir, 7 to the power 7 into z to the power 2 divided by 10.
Answer.
I think this is the answer.
7 to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
7 to the power 5 into z to
You
the power
will get power 5.
divided by 10.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this? No.
No, sir.
Z to the power positive 2. It is because minus 3,
Yes, sir.
this
Yes, sir.
minus
denominator
3
becomes
into
Plus
positive.
5.
Minus 3 plus 5 will be positive. True.
Yes, sir. Answer is same.
One more difficult one I'll give. I'll
Okay,
give
sir.
a little time for you to solve. This is to the power minus 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied with 1 by 3 to the power minus 4 multiplied with 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 by 6. This is a question to simplify. Yes.
Sir, 3 to the power minus
3 to the power
minus.
Plus 6.
only 3 to the power you will get. If you observe, there is 2 also. 6 is 1 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 3. So
Minus
2 also
3
should
by
be there.
2 to the power 6 means minus 3 by 2 for downside 2 to the power 6.
Minus 3 by 2. In
Uh,
the
for
2,
2
it
is
is
there,
power
na,
6.
sir? For that power 6.
Is this the answer? I doubt.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Any other answer, sir?
Minus 3 raised to 8 divided by 4.
Minus
Sir, my
3
answer is
to the power 8 divided by 4.
Yes, sir.
Is this the answer?
Sir, I have got the
Sir,
answer as 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power minus 4.
2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power minus 4.
sir, I got minus 2 by
Now he is changing the answer. Yes, sir. Minus 2
by 3.
by 3. Only this much?
Yes, sir.
Is this the answer? Yes, 4 different answers are there here for same question. Yes, any other answers? Pawan, any answer? Sachin, Samarth, Raghavendra, Sujit, Uday, Vishwas, Shobhan?
Sir, minus 3
Sir,
to
my
the power
answer was
9 by
minus 3
2
to
to
the
the power
power
6.
6.
Minus
Minus 3 to
3,
the power 9 by 2 to the power 6.
2 to the power 6.
Huh, sir. Minus 3 to the power 9 by 2 to the power 6.
So Ajay and Akash, they could solve and get this answer. Others, did you get this answer?
Sir, I also got this same answer.
Oh, majority are having the same answer.
Full downside, sir.
Is this
Full
the answer?
downside.
Is this the answer? Majority are having this. Okay. Let me try it now. This particular thing within the bracket, there I will
2 by 9, sir, my answer.
reciprocate this. It becomes 3 by minus 2 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
positive 2 whole to the power 3. Correct? You will all agree
Yes, sir.
with this step.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Into this particular thing is a reciprocal of 3 by 1. I'll write it as just
3,
3 to the power
3,
positive 4
4
into 1 by 3
into
into 1 by
3,
6. 1
2
by
to the
6
power
is
2.
2,
1 by 2 into 3.
2 into 3.
Now what I will do is I will multiply this power of a power. It becomes 6, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
minus, this will be minus 3 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the
Two,
power of 6.
6
This I can
into
take within the bracket, okay? Into
yes
3 to the
3
power
to the
of
power
4
4
3
into
to the
1
power
by
4
3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by
into
3.
1 by 3 into 1 by 2.
1 by 3. Yes sir.
I missed 6, 1 by 6, sir. I did not
Sir.
take only 1 by 6.
Okay, sir. Tell me
Take
what is minus 1 to the power 6? Will it be positive 1 or negative 1?
Positive sir.
Minus
Positive 1.
sir. It will be minus 1.
So this will be positive 3 to the power of 6
Positive 3 to
divided
the
by
power of
2 to the power of 6
divided
2 to
by
the power
into
2
3 to the power of 4
into 3 to the power of
into
4 into
3 to the
1
power
to
of
the
1
power
by
minus 1.
3.
1 by 3.
I will just write like this. It will be easy for me. I have written like this. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So 3 to the power of 6 should be added to 4
4 of 6
minus
should be
1
added to 4
minus 1. If you
minus
look at
1
these are the bases with 3, no?
3 to the power 8.
Into
Yes,
2
3
to
to
the
the
power of
power 8 divided by 2 to the power 5, sir.
Yes sir.
3 to the power of 8 divided by
2 to the power 5 divided
2 to
by
the power 5.
3
7.
to the
No,
power
5, sir.
not 5 here, 7.
Sir, here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 power is there, sir.
Here minus
Minus
1
is
is
there.
there.
minus
This
1.
6, when you take it in the numerator, it becomes minus 6, no? So minus 1 minus 6 will be minus 7. So we get 2 to the power of 7. This is the correct
So
answer.
you wrote plus 7.
Yes.
I'll tell 1 second, sir. This is 3 to
3
the
to
power
the
of 8. You have understood this? This one?
yes.
Into
Yes,
2 to the power of minus 7. This particular thing can be written in this format.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Okay.
Okay, sir. One more simple question I'll give. This you should be able to do it here. 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 should be added with 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. This should be added with 1 by 3 to the power minus 2.
$29.
29 is the answer.
29. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 29.
Yes, sir. 4 square plus
4
2
square
square
plus
plus
2 square plus 3 square.
3
plus 3
square
square.
is
29
equal
sir.
to 16 plus
29
4
sir.
plus 9
Answer.
is
16
equal to
plus
20.
All of
4
you have
plus
got this.
9.
All of you have got 29 only.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very
4
good.
square plus 2 square plus 3 squares.
Okay, sir. I'll give another question. Find the value of x.
Plus 9.
And the expression is 2 to
Yes
the
sir.
power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 6 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 to the power x is equal to 1. Very simple question.
0, sir.
0.
0 sir. 0 sir.
20,
0 sir. 0 sir.
9.
Yes, sir.
0, sir. Answer.
X is equal to
Yes, sir.
How
0.
can you say that it is
sir,
0?
Correct answer will come
0, sir.
This plus answers will come 20, sir.
0
You
sir.
must know
0
that
to the
any
power
number
0 is equal
to the power
Whatever
0
the
is
number.
equal to 1.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
0 to the power 0 is equal
If
to
at
0
all,
sir always.
if at all you have simplified, what you will be getting? 25 by 24
20,
to the power x is equal to 1, isn't it? So this
Okay, we should
particular
repeat
thing
that.
to the power 0 will be equal to 1. Correct?
Yes sir. 0 is answer.
One
is
more
equal to
one more question. Finding the value of x.
Yes, sir, we can.
5 to the power 3x minus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125. You have to find the value of x.
Two, sir. X is equal to
2, sir. 2. 2.
Two, sir.
X is equal to 2.
Sir, x is equal to 2.
X is equal to 2, sir.
Sir, 3x,
Same.
3x is equal to 6, x will be 2, sir.
5 into
Yes,
5
sir.
into 5 is equal to 6, 25, sir.
25 5 to the power 2, sir. 125 5 to the power 3, sir.
Hmm.
Then if we take as x, x is equal to 2, then 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power 3, sir, which is 120.
Whenever you get the same bases, the powers can be compared. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes,
have become
sir.
you have become expert now. You will be able to tell this
Yes.
answer directly. Yes, sir.
2 by 9. Sir, 1, sir.
1 is a
Sir, x will equal to minus 1.
2, sir.
Yes, sir.
2.
Sir, X
2,
is
sir.
equal to
I am getting different answers, different response
minus
now.
1.
Sir,
sir.
x is equals to minus 1.
Minus
Sir,
Somebody,
minus 1.
somebody
sir.
said 2,
So X is equal to minus 1.
1, sir.
and
X is equal to
the
minus
correct answer is this. Minus 1 is the correct
Yes,
answer.
sir. Minus 1, sir. X is equal to minus 1, negative 1.
Negative 1 is the correct answer. If the question is 5 to the power x into 5 cube into 5 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus 5 equal to 5 to the power of 12.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of x?
18, sir. 18.
18. No.
7.
Sir.
6.
6.
Sir.
Preetham says 6.
6, sir. 6, sir.
plus 6, sir.
6, sir.
12, 20.
6.
Is
6,
6
sir.
the
Option
correct answer?
So because that minus 5 plus
equal to
it will become
Minus
plus
5 will go up and it will
minus
become
5
plus
plus
5,
6
sir.
is equal
Then
to
minus 2 will come
please
down
fill
and
answer.
it will become plus 2, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we will do dividing, sir.
3,
Then 5 to the power 3 will
minus
become,
2
sir,
is equal
upside.
to 1, sir.
Okay.
Then 3
6
plus
is
3
the
is equal to 6.
6 is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you did not told the upper one, sir. Middle one you wrote, na, sir, question.
This one, I have
6 is
said
the answer.
minus 1 is the answer.
Minus 1, sir. Answer to middle one. Minus
If
1.
you are not getting this minus 1, please try it. If you are not getting 6, please try it. It's very easy question here.
Yes,
And,
sir. Is it
and if you are writing a say written examination, this will be carrying 3 marks. Very easy 3 marks you can get it.
Yes, sir. We can get it.
Okay, any other doubt you have?
No,
Let me end today's session and we shall take up the new chapter. Which chapter?
tomorrow, sir.
Direct and inverse variation.
Yeah, direct and inverse
The
proportion.
direct and inverse proportion.
Yes, we shall take
Proposition.
direct and
Direct
inverse
and
proportion
inverse
from next class
proposition.
onwards.
13th chapter.
Tomorrow we'll be having 2 periods.
YouTube channel.
No.
YouTube classes, sir.
Why
Tomorrow.
YouTube classes here?
Sir,
18, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
18th, no, 18th.
Yes.
Shall I make
Yes.
one video or 2 videos? Which one you prefer?
Sir,
2 videos, sir.
2 videos
Sir, 2 videos, sir. 2 videos.
of 20
2
minutes
videos.
each.
Sir,
Two videos of
15
20 minutes each.
yes.
15 minutes.
Sir, yes,
Minutes,
sir.
sir.
So
15
20 minutes,
15 minutes video.
2 videos In this chapter, there is something called as a direct proportion and inverse proportion.
Yes, sir. Direct and
So
inverse.
definition part will be over, and questions related to direct proportion I can complete in that time. Is it fine? All the
Yes.
questions which
Yes,
are
sir.
related to direct proportion can be done in 2 videos.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Yeah, that's all for
Sir,
today's
what
session.
about
Thank
doubts,
you.
sir? Doubts of direct and inverse proportion.
Doubts of direct. No, only direct proportion I will be able to complete tomorrow. Inverse proportion I will keep it pending. When the
Direct and
live WebEx class is there, you can ask doubt related to direct question, direct proportion. There's no problem.
Okay.
falling car is perfect.
Yes, Uday, what is the doubt?
No,
Okay then.
no,
Thank you.
no doubt, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.